Learn Tagalog sentences with napaka. Napakaganda ng umaga. The morning is very beautiful. Napakainit ngayong umaga. It is very hot this morning. Napakabait niya. He or she is very kind. Napakabilis ng oras. Time flies very fast. Napakalinis ng bahay. The house is very neat. Napakatahimik naman dito. It is very quiet here. Napakalamig ng tubig. The water is so cold. Napakadali ng gawain. The task is very easy. Napakabagal ng takbo mo. You run very slowly. Napakatamis ng ngiti niya. He or she smiles sweetly. Napakatagal na niyan. That's been a long time. Napakaalat ng sabaw. The soup is very salty. Napakahusay mong sumayaw. He danced very well. Napakabango ng bulaklak. The flower smells very good. Napakabaho ng basura. The garbage smells very bad. Napakakulit ng bata. The child is very playful. Napakatalino mo naman. You're very intelligent. Napakasipag mong mag-aral. You study very hard. Napakabilis ng panahon. Time goes by so fast. Napakamahal ng mga bilihin. Goods are very expensive. Napakamura ng prutas. Fruits are very cheap. Napakalungkot ng balita. The news is very sad. Napakalinaw ng dagat. The sea is very clear. Napakadilim sa labas. It is very dark outside. Napakataas ng gusali. The building is very tall. Napakababa ng presyo. The price is very low. Napakalayo ng gasolinahan. The gas station is very far. Napakalapit ng tindahan. The store is very near. Napakapayat mo. You're so skinny. Napakataba naman ng pusa. The cat is very fat. Napakaganda ng tulog ko. I slept very well. Napakasikip ng daan. The road is very narrow. Napakaluwag ng silid. The room is very spacious. Napakabigat ng bag. The bag is very heavy. Napakagaan ng kahon. The box is very light. Napakasela ng balat ko. My skin is very sensitive. Napakalayo ng bahay mo. Your house is very far. Napakaswerte ko sa'yo. I am very lucky to have you. Napakamalas mo ngayon. You're very unlucky today. Napakabilis mong tumakbo. You run very fast. Napakahusay niyang magpaliwanag. He or she explains very well. Napakadaming sasakyan. There are so many cars. Napakabango ng pabango mo. Your perfume smells very good. Napakasarap matulog dito. It's very nice to sleep here. Napakahalaga ng oras. Time is very important. Napakabait niyang tao. He or she is very kind person. Napakahirap maghanap ng trabaho. Finding a job is very hard. Napakadumi ng sapatos mo. Your shoes are very dirty. Napakalinis ng kusina. The kitchen is very clean. Napakaganda ng tanawin. The view is very beautiful. Napakasaya ng pamilya namin. Our family is very happy. Napakabango ng pagkain. The food smells really good. Napakaganda ng kwarto mo. Your room is so beautiful. Napakaraming nangyari. So many things happened. Napakabilis mong magsalita. You speak very fast. Napakalinis ng sasakyan. The car is very neat. Napakabait ng kaibigan mo. Your friend is very kind. Napakahirap unawain ito. This is very hard to understand. Napakaraming bayarin. Too many expenses. Napakadaling isipin. It's very easy to think. Napakahirap gawin. It's very hard to do. Napakasaya kong makilala ka. I'm very happy to meet you. Napakahusay mong umarte. You act very well. Napakalamig ng kamay mo. Your hands are very cold. Napakatipid niyang gumastos. He or she spends money very wisely. Napakabilis niyang lumaki. He or she grows very fast. Napakahina ng boses niya. His or her voice is very low. Napakabait ng nanay mo. Your mother is very kind. Napakaraming pagkain dito. There are so many foods here. Napakaganda ng panahon. The weather is very nice. Napakahirap maunawaan. It's really hard to understand. Napakalamig ng gabi. The night is very cold. Napakasinop niyang tao. He is a very provident person. Napakadamdamin niya. He or she is very emotional. Napakahirap ng pagsusulit. The exam is very hard. Napakaliwanag ng ilaw. The light is very bright. Napakalakas ng ulan. It is raining hard. Napakahina ng signal. The signal is very weak. Napakarami kong natutunan. I learned a lot.